globally renowned brand, TVS has a rich history of 113 years old, symbolizing trust, value, and service. In this video, we are luxuriously introducing TVS Emerald Isle of Trees urban forest in the hearts of your home. In this video, we'll all know more about the location, the project highlights, and a tour around the model flat unit. So when we talk about the location of the project, it's just 1.3 kilometers from Manyata Tech Park, 3 kilometers from Nagawara, and 4 kilometers drive from Jakur Aerodrome. When we talk about the highlights of the location, it's 35 minutes away to Kempegowda International Airport, and we have 2 metro stations in near vicinity, and also we have much more hospitals and schools, colleges, and your malls connected to the area. In hospitals, you have Manipal, Aster, Baptist, and lots more. In your malls, you have Phoenix Mall of Asia, you have Elements Mall, ST Mall, and more. And even in schools, you have Jain Heritage School and much more. So this is what in location short is all about. It's an ideal upgrade choice for the current residents of Jakuru, Haramavu, Kalyan Nagar, Aati Nagar, Hebbal, Nagawara, and much more. The highlight of the project is you'll get 100% of corner house and 80% of open space where you can enjoy yourself in being between the nature. We do have a model unit of a luxurious 4 BHK unit with 2379 square feet, and let's explore it. So once you enter into the project, this will be your entrance, and this is completely east facing. Okay, so once you enter, you will see a luxurious living area. And as I told you all, you don't have any of the common walls, and it's completely corner house. So you can see the window, one in the living area. So this is your living area. Once you head towards the dining area, your dining area will be 13 by 5, wherein your living area will be 28 by 1. So once you are done with your dining area, so we have a beautiful balcony. Okay, so look at the balcony, how beautiful it is. So one feature about the balcony is, I'll let you all know further. Keep waiting. Do not skip the video. Come, let's go. You have a beautiful space in and around, okay, your home. So we are now heading to our master bedroom. Yeah. So this is your luxurious master bedroom. Look how beautiful and luxurious it looks. So this master bedroom is 11 by 11. Okay, wherein you will have a complete good flooring. Okay, you will have, guess what, a walk-in wardrobe. Okay, you will have an attached washroom which is 7 by 0. This spacing which you're seeing in the walk-in wardrobe will be 7 by 11. So in master bedroom also you will get another window. Let's go. So you will have a table, and you will again head to your balcony. As I told you, you have one good feature in this particular project. That is, you will get connected to the balcony through both your living area and your master bedroom. Look how beautiful and peace is the balcony. Where you can consider this bedroom as a guest room or anything. So we will consider this as another room, which is also a very good option, where you will have your French window here. Okay, this particular room will be 10 by 6. Okay, so you will have your French windows, and yeah, this is what the room is. let's head to another room. So we have another beautiful room, okay, where you again have a washroom attached to the room with 4x7. This particular room will be of 11-11. Okay, so you will have a really good cozy balcony for this particular. Look how, oh my god, so beautiful. Yeah. How beautiful is this? So now we are heading into an interesting part, that's the kids' room. So we have an attached washroom over here, which is of 8x3, and yeah, so we have this bedroom which is 11x7, a beautiful space. And again, for the safety purposes, they have given you a French window, and you will have a beautiful window again over here. Now let's all move to another daily go place. Guess where? Keep on guessing where. So what did we miss on? We are obviously missing on the main portion of our house. That's our beautiful kitchen area. So we have a beautiful kitchen area which is of 10x9. Look how attractive it is. We have a beautiful utilities center, which is a really good highlight of the project, which is 7x11. So, and you have this particular space dedicated where it's completely of your choice, where you can even go ahead with puja room or any of that. But as of now, in the model unit, they have adjusted with a fridge. I hope you all enjoyed the tour of the model unit, which is our luxurious 4 BHK unit. And I just missed on something. Our TVS Emerald has brought up a new scheme which is more attractive as a project, that is 25:75, wherein they have told you just to pay 25% right now and the balance amount on the application of OC. I hope this video helped you all to know more about the project details. If so, go ahead and subscribe our channel right now so you will get more informative videos like such. So I'll be back soon with another new video. So until then, go ahead and subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon where you can get our video in prior, so that it would be informative message for all of you. Without any further delay, to stay and enjoy in between the nature, book your happy space in TVS Emerald Isle of Trees through address of choice. So for further inquiries, do contact the number given below and our team members will get in touch with you within 24 hours. Thank you so much for all your support. Bhumika Gowda signing off. Let's all meet in another video. Bye-bye. Take care.